So let me show you how easy it is to replace the battery in your Toyota key fob. And to do this, you do not need to remove this little key ring. So what you want to do first is pull over this little switch and pull out your spare door key. A lot of people don't know that they have this key. This is so that you can still open the door if your key fob battery happens to go dead. Now if you look inside, you'll see a little slot in there. Now if you grab your spare door key, you'll see that it's got a little screwdriver end on it. So just fit it into the slot, it'll fit in there perfectly, and give it a twist. And once you get it apart, the part that holds the battery could be in either side. Just pop it out, and there's your battery. Then you'll notice these 4 little fingers around the battery. 2 of them are rigid and 2 of them are springy. And you'll see right at the bottom here that there's a little slot. So not everyone has a little screwdriver, so just grab a fork. Just put it into that little slot and pry it out. And it'll be the very popular CR2032 coin cell battery. And if you want one of these batteries, I'll have an Amazon link in the description under the video. Then take your new battery and make sure the words are pointing up. Then just slip it under those 2 fingers and snap it in. And at times when you open this up, this little board could be on this side or it could be on the other side. And if you take it out of this side, sometimes this little silicone pad will be stuck to the back. No problem, just look for this angled part and pop it back in. And the same thing with this, just look for the angle, pop it in, and snap your cover back on. And once you have it back together, just push any of the buttons and you'll see this little LED light come on telling you that you've got a good battery. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.